Hi, you want to give a nice look to your logo easily? This Blender tutorial is for you. We will see all this step by step. After having modeled your logo, you are free to give it a simple or complex animation. I made a cinematic animation for this logo. If you want to see it, check this video below. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe to support me. Okay, now let's get started. Go here and add a text RX90 to make it in the vertical. Now go here and make it in the center. Now hit tab and hit any letter you want. Hit tab to close. S to make it bigger, just like this. Now I go here in font. For this tutorial, I will not using the default. I select one that I download, this one. If you want to download this, go here in dafont.com and select this one. It's free. So now I go back. I go here in geometry. I extrude it. I give it 0.05. I name it M. Now right click, duplicate object. Now this one, I name it A. And I hit tab, A. Hit tab to close. Now right click, duplicate, hit tab, d. Hit tab to close. This one, 3D. Okay, now disable this and this, and this one I selected. Right click, duplicate. Now go here in both and select known. And now here, give it a depth. I give it just 0.1. You can increase the resolution just like this. Now I disable this and I select A, G, Y, and I make it just a little here. Okay, now right click, duplicate. Now go here in both and select known and give it a depth. I give it the same as the first one. Now enable 3D, selected GY, and I make it here. Right click, duplicate. Go here in both and select known and give it the same modification. Now I add the plane S to make it bigger, RX19 to make it in the vertical. Oh, I think it's so big. GY and make it just like this. Okay, now hold shift and select this and this. GZ down here. Okay, now I uncheck all this, hold shift and select 2S and I make it like this. Hold shift and select A and A1 S and make it like this. Now hold shift and select this GX and make it here. Okay. Now hold shift and select M and M1 GZ and make it here, just like this. Hold shift and select this and this, GY and make it here. We want it near this one. Hold shift M and M1 GY and make it. Okay, now it's good. Now we have all this. Now hit 0 and now you can adjust the focal of the camera. I select the plane S and I scale it more like this. Now I go here in shader editor. Now select the plane first. I go here to see. I select the plane, hit new, Ctrl Shift T. I select texture. So maybe select this one. Select all. Select the plane, go here in modifier, add modifier, generate subdivision surface. Make it simple. Apply the modifier. Now go to edit mode and go here in UV and select project from view. Just go here, select this and increase the scale. Go back to object mode. Now we have this plane like this. Now I select this, hit new, and this one, roughness 0, transmission 1. Now I select this one, I give it the same. I select this one and I make it in glass, just like this. Now right click, convert to mesh. This one too, right click, convert to mesh. Right click, convert to mesh. Right click, shade smooth. Now I select this one, hit new, select this one, Control T, and I open an image. So I make it, I give it this, I make it metallic, and I decrease the roughness. As you can see that this texture is not good. So I go here in edit mode, hit A and select all, go here in UV and select project from view. Now if I go back, now we have a nice texture. So I select this one, I give it the same. Go to edit mode, hit A and select project view. Go back to object mode. Now I select this one, I give it the same material. Go to edit mode, hit I and give it the same. Okay, now if I go here, you see how look as our image, the glass, I make it yellow like this. And here I increase just a little. And now you can choose your angle if you want. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.